Tired of hitting the Midjourney fast hour limit? Let's unlock the secrets to virtually unlimited image creation in Midjourney V6. First, master the art of the prompt instead of lengthy descriptions. Use concise and targeted keywords. Think photorealistic portrait, dramatic lighting instead of a whole paragraph. This maximizes efficiency, allowing you to generate more images per credit. Next, strategically manage your subscription. Evaluate if upgrading to a higher tier with more fast hours aligns with your creative needs. Consider the standard or pro plans for a significant boost. Now, let's explore iterative image refinement instead of generating entirely new images. Take your favorite outputs into image editing software like Photoshop or GIMP. Make small adjustments, add details, and effectively create variations without using more Midjourney credits. Another great option is using relax mode for less intensive rendering, allowing you to generate more images without using up your fast hours. Remember that relax mode is only available with the standard or pro plan subscription. Finally, think about your projects. Can you repurpose or combine existing images? Experiment with upscaling and remixing your outputs to get the most out of each generation. With these tips, you'll be swimming in amazing AI art in no time. Happy creating!